It flips.
It flips.
Ah, that sound. Do it again. Ah,
But oh shit, I got two
dude,
missed calls.
that's the proper way to like slam the phone on someone when you're talking. So they like hear you slam the phone. They hear the tok.
Yeah, man, like it's like I'm done. I'm like
Hmm.
near done. But man, I think I got this SMS, and I got this to like reduce my social media use. And I have actually reduced because I am like I just have to be concerned about this phone because phone calls are what's important, like friends and family, right? And work calls. WhatsApp is not too important, and yeah. And by the way, I was saying I got scammed. Like I was supposed to get an original Nokia, and I got a fake Nokia. I know, stupid.
Wait, do they still make Nokia phone?
So Nokia Nokia phones are still there. I mean, they produce the smartphones, but they produce these old phones as well.
I
They produce the old phones as well, but they make it 4G versions. So the original Nokia 2720 Flip is supposed to have
mm-hmm.
WhatsApp, YouTube, and Twitter.
Oh damn.
Yeah, I mean this one doesn't. It's because it's Chinese. It's the fake Chinese one now, even though it looks like Nokia. And it has 4G and hotspot, so that's why I bought it, so I can
Oh
completely
damn.
forget about my smartphone and use the laptop and this phone. And yeah, I got
Explain to me
fucked.
one thing. Explain to me why you have self-control at this gym, but you don't have self-control over your phone. How do you like divide your self dedication, motivation, all that kind? You're like, yeah, I want to put 100% into the gym, go there, focus. But then you're like, bro.
Okay. I don't use a phone at the gym. Okay.
See, that's exact. You're proving my point, not your point. You're proving my point. So speak very carefully.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't use your phone at the
I
gym. Okay,
use it.
stay
Okay.
on my side.
I use it at home,
Okay.
and I create free time for myself to use the phone, and then I end up using the phone for like 6 hours a day, which is like crazy.
Okay.
It's not even important things. It's scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on I don't use Twitter, but Chrome, YouTube, all that. It's primarily Insta, man. I'm lucky I don't use TikTok because that would be much more addictive than Insta.
Yo.
And yeah, so just gonna be a bit more. I don't know, man. Like, I'm not gonna like delete Instagram and all that shit because I need to work there a bit. I have work related stuff there.
Yeah, no,
Um,
but there's no point deleting
and
the entire thing.
because right, it's like you stop going to work because you love working so much, and that's what
Yeah,
really
yeah,
does.
yeah, yeah.
Right? So I just thought this would be like a good option for me to like really cut it down, and
Okay.
and I mean it's working. First 2 days, let's see how it goes. I mean, it's just
Oh
like
shit, okay. So it's like a very recent thing.
oh yeah, I didn't get this like way back. I mean, I might try to return this and get like an original one, or at least get refunded.
Okay,
Um,
tell me how you got scammed, because usually we are the people who scam others, so it's I
I
don't get
know,
how
like
scammers get scammed.
I, I got this down from my cousin in Dubai, and I ordered it
You got
from.
scammed all the way from Dubai?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So, so I ordered from Amazon, right? It had 42 good reviews. It had like 4-star average for like 42 reviews. I mean, I didn't go like read every review, but I did read a couple, and I bought it from here, and it got delivered to my cousin over there, and she brought it down when she's coming here. And once I started using it in a couple of hours, I noticed, hey, something's wrong with this phone. It's not like how I expected it to look when I'm using the UI, but yeah, it's like a very basic scammy situation. So yeah, I kind of suck. I don't want to tell how much I spend on the podcast, but I'll tell you on WhatsApp.
Just send me a message now so that I can like react to it and see. Because I might either it depends on the number. I might lose like a lot of respect I have for you, or just a little bit.
Okay, you're gonna lose a lot, but I'm just gonna send you on this chat, Zoom chat.
Oh, okay.